Hi there, it is Dollhouse Day. I thought I'd show you what I've done. I made curtains for this master bedroom, and I am just showing this handheld, but I took some little dowels and I added the crochet lace to the top, and then those are little beads. And then this was the gauzy curtain with the lace was a shirt I no longer wore. And then I added that little table and a little, it's hard to do this without shaking things. And I tried to have pretty nails, but it doesn't work for me. They all popped off so many times, but okay, there. I'm not good at nails. They last about one day. Oh, and look what I did. I kind of messed up the wall there with a stain from this wall molding. So I put this little chest with some frames, and I'll put some pictures in there. So that'll be like a little memory chest possibly. So I did like some moldings. Yeah, that curtain I did. And then I did this curtain there. And how I did that, I did a, what do they call that? The mountain valley fold. And then I pressed it with my iron. Thought that looked pretty. Then what I do here is I take a playing card and then I frame it with some of these coasters that I thrifted. I just take them apart and you can stain them, paint them. Also with these, like bamboo type coasters. In the kitchen, I made shades. So that's the shades that I make, and I'm gonna have a little string coming down, you know, so it looks like it can go up and down. So what I did was I just cut it off. So they're very easy to take apart. I cut it off, you know, whatever length you want. And then I took 2 more or 4 more pieces and I folded it over. Cut it off and folded it over so it has the look. Well, I had to cut it off because you want the right side to show. So I cut it off for those slats, glued them together, and then put them on there. So I think that looks kind of cool. What else did I do in here? Oh, I added some little handmade female vegetables. I have a lot of those because back years ago I thought I'd do fairy gardens and have little cute vignettes. I never did that, but I do have that. So I'm going to glue them in because I tend to be really shaky and I knock things over. And then here I have a little cookie on a plate that I altered. And then look at this cute little book. And I also found this doily that kind of looks like a rug. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that or not, but I'm thinking about it. But it says, more memories on the farm, and this is a farmhouse journal, so I thought that was so cute. And it doesn't open up. And then there was 2 more books that I believe I got at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and they're kind of farm related. And then this shelf in the back, this corner shelf, I love it. And I don't know if I'm going to paint it or maybe keep it because the kitchen table is the same unpainted wood, and so are the faux blinds. And let me show you, I got the corner cabinet on eBay. It's called Houseworks Limited. And it looks like this. That's the box it came in. So I love that because I can put all kinds of fun things there. Okay, let me show you some other things I did. I have some of these white plates. I punched out some scrapbook paper, different papers, and then I decoupage them on. I mean, they're not real shiny. I don't know if I have to put another coat or something on there, but I thought they were kind of cute. Just cutting out a, with a punch and putting them on the white plates. And then, yeah, there's my popped off nails. And then I found these, so you can use some of your, since I do journals, make journals, you can use some of your other things. I found these, like they're like for scrapbooking, or I thought maybe I could put them on the wall here. Or I also have another dollhouse I haven't shown yet that I need to refurbish, and it will have a bakery. So I might put these things in there too, or on the wall, for decor. But so you can look for things like that. And then up here too, I was thinking about, I've got a lot of jewelry pieces. I might try to make something, with that. Okay, what else have I done? Over here, here's some more playing cards that I framed. And I did make some curtains. I just did that Mountain Valley fold. I just glued them directly. And here I have a little valance. It's just kind of stuck up there because I'm not sure if I want to do that. But this was part of a curtain. So I'm thinking about using that as a valance above there. I also found this small little tree that I've had. It might be a Tim Holtz, kind of in a pack of those. And I don't know, did I show how I made this little pillow? This was, a little crochet piece, because when I make junk journals, I sometimes use them. And I thought that looks like a little, hand crocheted pillow. So I just took a dauber from Tim Holtz ink dauber, put that on the back, and we have these cutest little, looks like hand crocheted pillow. Isn't that cute? So I have these little deer. That was cute, but I'm just trying out different things. This is not in any way near final. The other thing I did, I don't know if I said that I put up the shutters to that window there. I still have to trim up some ceiling trim. And then here, look at your jewelry too, because this was a pair of earrings. There's a little hook, so I'll cut that off. And I'm probably going to put that in what I decided to use as up here on the third floor. I'm going to make this a baby's rooms, because I have that little bassinet, and so I'm going to work on this. I have a few things coming in the mail yet, but it has a Holly Hobby faux stainless glass there, and I do have some Holly Hobby fabric I was going to use for making a journal, so I don't know if I'm going to use that. And then I also have these are like iron-on appliques, but I want to have this loosely a Holly Hobby. I'm not going to do the walls and everything. Little nursery. So I think that's all I've done here. I think you've seen this. Maybe you haven't seen the little bottles, and I'll probably put things in there. And these, let's see, where am I at? Were little wood beads, but they kind of look like blocks or something you might use in crafting. I'll use those somehow. I don't know if I'll use this, but now everything I see, I think, oh, maybe I could use that for something. So I'm not sure. There's the craft room, Pam's Paper Place. So I believe, let's see, I think that's all I've done. Let's see. Oh, I did buy a few more things. I bought this little stove because this doesn't really have a stove. I mean, yeah, oven. Because right here is where your stove would be, and it kind of bugs me, but I don't know. And this really, I don't have room for. So I'm going to put this in my other dollhouse. Look at my nails. And, you know, for the bakery. Whoops. And then I just got some from Amazon, these little puck lights that I can use for the ceilings. What else? Oh, look how cute these are. I don't know if I might have gotten these from Amazon. Let's take a closer look. So this would be cute for my bakery or a few things. Excuse me, for this dollhouse. So here's the little bottles. I'm going to pause it so I can open them up. Okay, I'm going to try to do this with one hand. I see the different things in the bottom. That looks like little flowers. Sorry about my thumb. Oops. And how clumsy I am. This has like little circles. They can be like different candies. This one is the same, I think, or those look like butterflies. Not sure what those are. Just little bits and pieces like candy. Oh, they're like little tiny, looks like ice cream bars. Purple butterflies. Little star fruit, maybe? What are these? Lemons? Oh, those are really cute. That'll probably stay in the dollhouse one and not the bakery. Avocado. What are these? Strawberries. And you can take them out and put them in alongside different dishes too. Little, not sure what, some kind of fruit. These are cute, little peppermints looking, very cute. These are just little candy bits, whoops. Pink little lemon-like things. Another little bits of candy. Hearts. Excuse me. I'm not sure what those are. Symbols. Little stars. Little flowers, maybe. Pretty colors. Cute in the baby's room. Another little fruit. Tomatoes. Little circles. Get a lot of them. I think some are the same. See if there's any different ones. These might be different. And those are the same. And I think These are limes and hearts. Oh, look how cute these are. Little hearts. Say love on them. So aren't they cute? I love them. So I'll try to find the link and for these and for the little stove, and it opens up here. And this little drawer comes out too, slides out. Very cute. Love it. I also found these little doilies too that would be cute to put somewhere on top of that I got from Dale. I got these from Dale. Be cute on top of something as a doily or something. All right, so that's it for Dollhouse Day. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.